amazingly simple.
Hey, stock traders, Johnny Red here from Transparent Traders. Today we're going to get into a 2-minute stock breakdown on ticker DKNG. Yes, that is DraftKings. It's been requested several times, and we're going to get that breakdown via TradingView charts today for you. Just a quick couple of things to kind of go over about what DraftKings got going on. Earnings, of course, are going to be February 4th. They're pretty much forecasted to lose 79 cents per share. They normally don't even meet that. If you go back and you look at all their earnings, they'll probably be more like $1 that they'll report that they lost. They never hit the forecast. It's just something to keep in mind. This is something that I wouldn't be trading going into earnings. So if this doesn't hit either of these levels prior to probably January 27th or 28th, I'd like to be about a week out. I would not enter this trade till after earnings. Last year's same quarter, they reported a loss of 68 cents per share. But overall, they are down like 65% for the year. So, but that's, the market's coming down. There's a lot of other factors coming on in the sports betting and iGaming divisions out there, and you can see that being impacted by stock tickers PEN, CZR, Penn National Gaming, Caesars, MGM. So it's not just DraftKings, but the sports betting iGaming division as a whole is kind of getting really hit. They are also getting a lot of competition from FanDuel that's getting into their market and everything. So let's get everything pulled up and let's get that breakdown done. So as you can see here, folks, I got the TT Blackbox platform pulled up. I got DKNG sorted through our algorithmic alerts. It's our system that we created with custom coded algorithms that's analyzing everything out there in the market, and we have not alerted DKNG for some time via our algorithms. So we're going to give this breakdown for a bullish side and a bearish side, and I'll kind of go over my levels of why I picked those. So let's get that TradingView charts pulled up. So as you can see here, folks, we have the TradingView charts pulled up for DraftKings. You can see that I got a bullish entry sitting here at the $26 mark, and my bearish entry be down here at this $18 mark. So what I'm looking at is, if you scroll back here, the last time we were down here on our way up, you can see this level, once it got above the 26 range, it sat there and bounced. And I'm picking this level because right now we're currently down here in this level. So this is going to be the next major kind of resistance area based off past and present is that $26 range. So if we come back over, we can see that we struggled. We kind of trade in this channel here, just like in the past, between that $26 and $28 range. So anytime that we broke back above the $26 range, we tested the 28.10 range, came back down. So that's pretty much gone for the entire month of December. That's kind of how that worked. And now we're just kind of going down. So that's where I got the entry for bullish. I want to get above that 26 range and at least get into that 28.10 range. Now, if we can break and hold above 28.10, you can see these last couple of times that we did do that. We tested the 30.15 range before we came back down, and that's what we're looking for the next target. So if we can break above that and hold, of course, you utilize stop loss and maximize your game and see if we can keep on riding that back up. Your next one to be looking for would probably be in the 32.50 range you could go with. For the bearish side, if we will go over here to the 4-hour chart, that's what I like to use to kind of look at a lot of my ranges. You can see that when we first started coming up, that was a major range that we struggled to break. bounced back all the way down here and struggled around the 16. So we just kept on hitting 18 to the 1560 mark. Before we dropped all the way down here to the 1180 range, which is why I got this next target. So before I didn't want to enter this bearish, I'd want to break below 18 with expecting to bounce off the 1560. And of course, if we broke that, we'd be looking for 1180. So that's where I came up with my bearish entry. So I hope this breakdown kind of helps everybody seeing how I got those levels. If you got any questions, throw them down in the comments. We'll get them answered for you. And as always, folks, base hits pad the wallet. Johnny Red out.